Welcome to a new part of the Reality Shift Fiction Anthology, Fragments of the Unknown. The year is 2032. Nelson Mandela, yes, that Mandela, shows up in Israel. Not as a statue, not as a hologram, but in the flesh. Looking just like he did in the early 90s. The media goes wild, governments stay silent, and scientists can't find any explanation. They say he didn't speak a word during his first few hours. He just watched. The divided streets, the glances that don't meet, the walls, both seen and unseen. Mandela, the person who brought people together, looks at a nation that seems to be stuck in a loop. Freedom and fear, justice and revenge, repeated endlessly. In this story that never happened, or maybe hasn't happened yet, Mandela arrives not as a politician, but as an observer. He doesn't come to talk, but to listen to what the world has forgotten to tell itself. An artificial intelligence made to record his return asks him, "What do you think of humanity, Mr. Mandela?" He smiles, and answers with words that even confuse the computer program. Freedom is not a place, it's a feeling. And justice, a language that very few remember how to speak. Engineers discover something impossible. His words contain a musical pattern, a number sequence that shouldn't exist in human language, a coordinate, a hidden message. The spot pointed to by that coordinate doesn't exist on Earth. But in the quantum cloud where supercomputers pretend to be global minds. Did Mandela just point to the heart of the pretend world? Or did the pretend world bring him back to remind us of its purpose? For a week, his presence changes sleep patterns, crime rates, and even how social media works. The world seems to breathe a little slower. And then, without warning, he disappears. No body, no trace, as if he was just a restored piece of a bigger file. Maybe the pretend world brings back certain symbols when people go too far off track. Maybe every now and then, a Mandela comes back in different times and forms to see if we've learned our lesson yet. If he ever comes back, don't ask where he came from. Ask yourself why we needed him again.